Our STEAM summer camp is really one of the hallmarks of our graduate program. We accept campers from kindergarten all the way through 9th grade. This is an opportunity for our graduate students to have an early teaching experience. They learn all about classroom management through doing this, time management, and just really how to engage their students in learning in this really fun, hands-on way.
It gives you a good example of what a classroom would be like. It definitely sets you up for what you're going to be doing with the students. They want to do more activities and more creative in the arts.
It's about you thinking critically and problem solving about how do I make this happen? And the only way to teach students is to offer them activities like these STEAM challenges.
At Salle, we learn a lot about the theories and the practices of education. It's really nice to finally be able to implement that and actually see all of the stuff that we've studied in practice. The summer camp provides a unique opportunity not only for the teachers but also the students.
I think what's unique to LaSalle is that you get to teach with co-teachers, so they put you on a team and you really have to learn each other. That's what was the most exciting about it, just being able to teach with peers who are equally motivated, equally passionate about education, and just ready to get into the classroom.